Updating your API settings on ChannelAdvisor is essential for ensuring that your integrations function smoothly. Follow these steps to make the necessary updates. Step 1. Log into ChannelAdvisor. Access your ChannelAdvisor account by entering your username and password on the login page. Step 2. Navigate to API settings. Once logged in, go to the settings menu. From there, find and select API settings to access your current API configuration. Step 3. Review current API credentials. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checkout, then update your password if needed. Step 4. Update API credentials. Make the necessary changes to your API credentials. This may include updating your API key, secret, or any other relevant information. Ensure that all entries are accurate. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your API settings, make sure to click the Save button to apply the changes. Confirm that your settings have been updated successfully. By following these steps, you can easily update your API settings on ChannelAdvisor. Regularly check your settings to ensure optimal performance of your integrations.